The way actually to do it is take massive samples of hundreds of thousands of people, ideally actually millions of people, but say hundreds of thousands of people, and then use machine learning, and you will actually have a system which is faster, cheaper, more accurate. And it has another great advantage, which we exploited, which is that if you do these very large sample surveys, you then have subsample. You can define the demographics that you interrogate yourself. And what we did was we basically used the exact same categories for the demographics that Facebook uses for its digital advertising platform. So we sucked in data on the precise same basis that Facebook marketing allows. And then we had, therefore, large subsamples of the overall polling samples, which you could actually rely on. And then you could take that data and plug it straight back into Facebook. So we could say, for example, we will target women between 35 and 45 who live in these particular geographical entities who don't have a degree or who do have a degree or whatever, et cetera, et cetera. And because you've got very large samples, you can actually get useful information on those kind of relatively small breakdowns. So we did all this, and we, as I said, we essentially ran a whole series of experiments based on what we'd found in the conventional polling in the focus groups out in the digital world, and then filtered what worked. And then we held back almost all of our budget, and then we basically dumped the entire budget in the last 10 days, and really in the last 3 or 4 days. And we aimed it at, I can't remember exactly, but I think roughly about 7 million people saw something like, I think, 1.5 billion digital ads over a relatively short period of time.